Alright then, hello guys. Today I'm doing another Lord of SQLite challenge. And the challenge that I'm going to be doing today is going to be called Assassin. So with this challenge, it's a bit different this time because they allow us to use the word like. It's not equals, so that's I guess something different. And it's selecting an ID from, I guess it's selecting an ID from probably Assassin where the password is like blank. So for this part of the challenge, we're supposed to make, I guess, some kind of true statement where it grabs an ID of some sort. So, and also as well, it looks like we need to know we need to know that the ID, whatever this prints out, it has to be an ID that equals to admin. And looking more into it, it looks like we have to figure out the password. We have to figure out a password that matches to the ID, which is admin. That's what I'm getting at for this challenge. And after trying to do this challenge for a while, I figured out that with this challenge, you're supposed to be familiar with a wildcard. So, MySQL has wildcards, and I'll tell you, a wildcard is used to substitute one or more characters in a string. So, wildcards are used with the like operator, and the like operator is used where the where clause to search for a specific pattern in a column. So, wildcards in MySQL, so the percentage sign represents zeros or more characters. Find BL. Then right here, underscore represents a single character. Find hot, hat, hit. These wildcards can also be used in combinations. Here are an example that shows what different like operators with percentage and underscore wildcards. So in this first example, we get where customer is like A and then wildcard. So it finds any value that starts with an A. So that's basically what the percentage value does. If you put a value in front of it, it finds a specific value. So if I put B and then percentage, it's going to find any password that starts with B. And then we get nothing for the most part. So I'm guessing for this point of this challenge, we're supposed to use this wildcard operator to generate, I guess, a password of some sort. So we have to find a way to brute force it. So at the beginning, we'll start like at 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3, then 4, then 5. So right now searching for every password that equals to 5, not searching any password that equals to 6, searching every password that equals to 7, searching every password that equals to 8, and searching for every password that equals to 9. And then we get hello guest. So right now we're building up our query, and I'm guessing you're thinking like, why does the password by using like 9 percentage, why is it why do we care if it's 9 because it equals to guest? Well, after solving this challenge and I guess brute forcing my way through it, it seems that hello guest, or like the password of guest and admin are equal to each other. So that means at a certain point, let's say for example notes, so let's say there's 2 passwords. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 admin, and then that's just the admin password, let's just say. And then we have 1 2 3 5 5 4 admin and guess, and this is the guest password. So we will brute force this using this query is just by using percentage 1, then percentage, then that's true, and it's gonna print out the guest password. Oh, I probably should put this first. It's gonna print out the guest, and then we'll keep doing this until 2, then 3, and then at one point there's one character inside the string, inside both these strings that are different, which at our point it's a 3, but no, in our point it's like 4. So if we put 4, then that means it's gonna print out hello admin because it got the ID from admin. Hello admin. That was basically the point of this challenge. I guess just understanding how wildcards work. So this belongs to admin. This belongs to guest. So basically, I had to write a script to figure out how to do this challenge. So if I go on Kali, I'll show you guys my script. So cd desktop SQLI bat cat assassin. So what we have here is our is our session ID, and then after that we have our URL. It's basically the same type of for loop. I did 1 to 20 just because I'm assuming that the password is gonna be 20 lengths long, but it's probably not. For the most part, you guys are familiar with this, the 48 to 122 ASCII characters. So I pass in password right here. Then password is empty, so nothing's gonna come out at the beginning, and then we're gonna start at I guess 48, which is 0. So it does 0, and then after that the percentage. Then it sends it every time, and then every time we get hello guest, like how we got right here at the beginning, hello guest, it's gonna here. Every time you see hello guest, if hello guest, it prints the password, and after that it adds that character to our password list. And then after that, our password is now gonna contain, let's say, 9. So this is not gonna be empty no more. It's gonna hold 9, and then after that we're starting from 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until it reaches the 122 max, or until we get a hit of hello guest. And we keep on doing this until it says hello admin. Now once it equals to hello admin, we still add that character, but we have flag equals 1. With this flag, it's gonna break out of this loop, so now we're in this for loop. And then once it goes through this for loop, it notices that if flag is equal to 1, then it breaks out and it prints out our password. That's basically what's going on. So if we just do this, Python 3, and then we just do assassin.py, we should get a password. And sorry for the barking, it's not my dogs, it's the neighbor's dogs. So anyway, after doing this, we get 902 is our password. So if we just add 9, then we 02, we should get admin. Hello admin assassin is clear. Reason being, like I said, somehow in this tree 902, so like the password of admin for the most part is equal to this value, is equal to that value. 902 is equal to 9 value. So it starts with 902, and then this percentage sign, that means anything could go after that. So that means the password could be 902 SA324, but we wouldn't know that because we found a password that matches this. So it'll be 902 and then whatever comes after. And by our chance, this is the only one that belongs to admin. That's basically how you solve this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I'm gonna be pasting the code will be down below on the description. Just click on the GitHub link and you guys will see it. Anyway, that's about it for this challenge. Peace.